Hi, my name is Patrick Wick. I invented tree bandage. This video is about sealing pruning cuts and other wounds on trees. About 30 years ago, Dr. Alex Shigo, a renowned biologist and plant pathologist, determined that tar and paint products would eventually crack and allow water to penetrate into the wound. This moist area provided a perfect environment for bacteria, fungus, and insects, all of which are detrimental to tree health. Because there was no viable alternative, the conventional wisdom has been that tree wounds should not be treated. For 25 years, I've been involved with silica research. Silica easily reacts with other materials, and I thought it might be used as a tree wound treatment. After a number of trials, I came up with a formula that quickly compartmentalizes the wound and allows callousing to completely cover the wound. The product I invented is called tree bandage. It's silica and water and is non-toxic, non-hazardous, and will not hurt plants or animals. It's easily applied to trees using a sprayer or brush, and cleanup is done by rinsing with water. It's not a pesticide. Rather, it creates a barrier to entry just like tree bark. The process is simple. When tree bandage is applied to the wound, it penetrates about 1/4 of an inch into the tree. It's not just a coating, but actually becomes part of the tree. After penetration, the silica reacts with the natural materials in the tree to form a quartz shield. The wound is quickly compartmentalized. This allows the tree to use its energy to produce new growth to cover and protect the entire wound. And because it quickly penetrates and forms the bandage, you can apply it even if it's expected to rain. This is a photo taken in March of 2010 of a 20-foot high hydrangea bush that was severely damaged by an ice storm. If you look closely, you can see the cracked and completely split branches. Believe it or not, this is the same healthy flowering bush that I was standing under at the beginning of this video. This next video shows the same bush where major branches were trimmed and the large split was held together with a C-clamp. All affected areas were treated with tree bandage. This photo and video were done in the spring of 2016 before spring growth, so you can see the branches up close. This limb was completely split in half. We attached a C-clamp on the split branch and then sprayed tree bandage all around it to seal the outside and to allow the tree to grow back together again, which it did. The clamp has been removed and the split branch does not need any artificial means to hold it together. This is another example of catastrophic damage that occurred during a windstorm in the summer of 2015. The limb was also completely cracked in half. It was put back together with a C-clamp that still remains. The entire area around the split was treated with tree bandage. This part of the video was filmed in August 2016 and shows the previously damaged bushes healthy and in full bloom. This is a yew bush. This is a beautiful bush, but come with me and wait until you see what's holding it together. This bush was also severely damaged in the ice storm of 2010. The damage was so extensive that we permanently put a clamp on the branch to hold it together before treating it with tree bandage. As you saw earlier, the bush is now perfectly healthy. In March of 2015, we were contacted by the owner from Boston of this ornamental Japanese maple tree where a severe ice storm broke the limbs. You can see that he reattached the broken limbs with multiple bolts to hold the tree together and treated the damaged areas with tree bandage. This final photo was taken by the owner 7 months later, showing a healthy tree. Thank you for watching this video, and be sure to watch my other videos on animal damage and pruning cut treatments to trees. You can find information on our website at www.treebandage.com. Thank you.